Oh, shit. Of course I dropped it. But there was just a little itty bitty baby one, and there was a couple more over here. It's hard to tell, but it's right in the little itty bitty baby. I'm gonna stick it up there, that way I can keep just collecting all these little ones that I just saw over here. Oh, there's another one. Oh, on my fingertip. There's two little ones. Now if I could just find that one that I dropped. That one might be a lost cause. Oh, yeah, there's another itty bitty little one right here. Stick that up there. Oh, there's another. That's a good sized one. Yeah. Put that up there as well. Alright. Not seeing any other little blips. Well, at least I got a few little, like 3 little on that decent one. 1, 2, 3. See those? Yeah, come on. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and that big one. Nice.